Good day, sir. I'm Steven Larazan. Today, I'm going to present my presentation on subject CRI 314, code 6371, specifically on Article 14, circumstances which aggravates from criminal liability. Paragraph 1, that the advantage be taken by the offender of his public position. Paragraph 2, that the crime be committed in contempt or with insult of public authorities. Paragraph 3, that the act be committed with insult or in disregard of the respect due the offended party on account of his rank, age, or sex, or that is be committed in the dwelling of the offended party if the latter has not given provocation. Paragraph 4, that the crime be committed with abuse of confidence or obvious ungratefulness. Paragraph 5, that the crime be committed in the palace of the chief executive or in his presence, or where public authorities are engaged in the discharge of their duties, or in the place dedicated to religious worship. Paragraph 6, that the crime be committed in the nighttime or in an inhabited place or by a band whenever such circumstances may facilitate to the commission of an offense, whenever more than three armed male factors shall have been acted together in the commission of an offense, it shall be deemed to have been committed by a band. Paragraph 7, that the crime be committed on the occasion of a conflagration, shipwreck, earthquake, epidemic, or other calamity or misfortune. Paragraph 8, that the crime be committed with the aid of armed men or persons who ensure or afford impunity. Paragraph 9, that the accused is a recidivist. A recidivist is one who, at the time of his trial for one crime, shall have been previously convicted by final judgment or another crime embraced in the same title of this code. Paragraph 10, that the offender has been previously punished by an offense to which the law attaches an equal or greater penalty or for two or more crimes to which it attaches a lighter penalty, that the crime be committed in consideration of a prize, reward, or promise, that the crime, paragraph 12, that the crime be committed by means of inundation, fire, poison, explosion, stranding of a vessel, or international damage thereto, derailment or of a locomotive, or by the use of any other artifice involving great waste and ruin. Paragraph 13. That the act be committed with evidence premeditation. Paragraph 14. That the craft, fraud, or disguise be employed. Paragraph 15. That advantage be taken of superior strength or means be employed to weaken the defense. Paragraph 16. That the act be committed with treachery or alevosía. There is treachery when the offender commits any of the crime against the person employing means methods, or forms in the execution thereof which tend directly and especially to ensure its execution without risk to himself or arising from the defense which offended party might make. Paragraph 17. That the means be employed or circumstances brought about which add ignominy to the natural effect of the act. Paragraph 18. That the crime be committed after an unlawful entry. There is an unlawful entry when entrance of a crime, a wall, roof, floor, door, or window be broken. Paragraph 20. That the crime be committed with the aid of persons under 15 years of age or by means of motor vehicles, motorized watercrafts, airships, or other similar means. Paragraph 21. That the wrong done in the commission of the crime be deliberately augmented by causing other wrong and necessary for its commissions. And that's all, sir. Thank you.